Hi, Christina Brown here with the Brown team at RE/MAX, and we have lender extraordinaire Darren Copeland with Leader One Financial. And I was just asking Darren if he would tell me a little bit about what he's kind of hearing is going to happen with the market and the rates coming up here in 2018.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Christina. So all the indicators that we've been seeing for 2018 looks like interest rates are going to slightly rise a little bit. Of course, we've heard that for a while, but now things are really going towards down that road that they are going to slightly rise. So what I always tell people is, man, if you can get into a fixed rate house at under 5%, man, that is awesome, you guys. So 2018 is going to be very key to get out there and look at getting yourself into a house. And I always like to tell this story. So many years ago, Christina, when I bought my first house, I got 7.25%, and man, I thought I was like mini Donald Trump, right? I thought I had arrived, going around bragging to my buddies at the interest rate. So now, you know, we've been spoiled for a lot of years, right? And it's not going to last forever, but it's a great time because, you know, guys, like here locally, you really can't rent anything that's, you know, really great or awesome for underneath $1,000 a month, right? Exactly. So you might as well own a house. You know, stop making your landlord rich.
Exactly.
You know, get out there, have the tax break, which is huge, and you know, 2018 is going to be a really awesome year to do that for folks.
I totally agree with that. We just piggybacking to what you said, we bought our first home in the mid to late 90s, and our interest rate was 6.5%.
Right.
And that was phenomenal.
Right.
And so for rates to be under 5 and under 4, as long as they have, we can't sustain that. So, so it is still definitely a great time to even be a buyer. And we know rates are going to go up eventually, but nothing out of control and crazy. So if you need 6 months or so to get there, you'll still be just fine. So
yeah, exactly. And another thing I was gonna throw out there is, you know, it's an education process. So when people come to us and you know, no one wakes up in the morning and goes, man, I can't wait to get a mortgage, right? You know, no one really wants to get a mortgage, but it's kind of part of the process. You know, 99% of the people we run into get a mortgage of some type. And it's just an education process, Christina. So we make it as easy as possible. You know, we're a local lender, but, you know, we go through the steps, you know, step by step, and we just come up with a game plan for them. So whatever they're comfortable with, that's what we gear that, because it's really important to us. We want them to go into this process with their eyes wide open. So when you guys do find that house of their dreams, they know exactly what their payment's going to be, and there's not going to be any surprises. So we try to load them up with a ton of education up front, because the cool thing is, it's not like we're trying to sell them a car or something physical, right? So our job is more of an education to get them ramped up, and then that kind of alleviates, you know, any nervousness or anything like that about going through the process. So just keep it cool, keep it easy, and we get them ramped up.
And that's one of the main reasons why we love to work with him. So he tries to figure out what your goals are. So if it's you don't have a stockpile of money for a down payment, he'll find a program that can help with that. Or if you're trying to keep your interest rate low and your payments low, he's got, you know, options and things for that. So he's good at helping you figure out what's best for you. It's definitely not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. There's a lot of different programs and a lot of different options out there.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Darren's awesome.
Oh,
you have to make sure you call him. He really is the best.
Right
so if you have any questions, contact us anytime. We're happy to help.
Thanks, guys.